Stative verbs. Action verbs and stative verbs. As we know, most verbs show actions of subjects, but the verb to be expresses the state of being, and the verb to have expresses the state of possession. So, verbs are used to express actions or states. There are action verbs and stative verbs. Action verbs show actions. Action verbs may express physical actions or mental actions. The action may or may not be one that you see, but either way, an action verb tells you that something is happening, has happened, or will happen. Stative verbs show states. Stative verbs tell us when and where someone or something exists. Stative verbs usually refer to a state or condition which is quite static or unchanging. Stative verbs can be divided into verbs of existence, which show existence in a place, time, or situation. To be in a place, time, or situation. To exist, to happen, to occur. Verbs of perception or cognition, which refer to things in the mind. Senses, perception, to feel, to touch, to hear, to sound, to see, to look, to smell, to taste. Mental states, to know, to understand, to forget, to mean, to imagine. Opinion, to think, to believe, to suppose, to consider. Emotions, feelings, desires, to like, to love, to hate, to fear, to want. Verbs of relation, which describe the relationships between things. Possession, to have, to belong, to own, to possess. Measurement, to contain, to cost, to hold, to measure, to weigh. Some verbs can be both stative and action. A number of verbs can refer to states or actions, depending on the context. To have. To have a car, stative. To have a party, action. To think. To see. To taste, to smell.